Hello guys, let's make this beautiful kimono basket jacket that has an open at the front. So to start with, I use 6 yards of this Ankara fabric to make this beautiful piece, and I cut it into straps like this and I ironed it. So the width was 2 inches. Yes, so after ironing everything, that is how it came out. And yeah, because it was a basket, I went ahead to draw out the pattern for the body. So I did the front bodies, the back, and the long sleeves, and I wrote my lines were 1 inch interval on the vertical, and on the horizontal it was 1.5. Yes, so that is that. And when you are choosing the brown paper for this, whether brown paper or newspaper, you have to go for one which is a bit hard. Okay, not too hard. If it is too hard, after stitching, you will find it very difficult to remove the paper, so you have to go for a moderate one. Yeah, so at this time my straps were ready, my papers were set, and I was getting ready to go to my sewing table. I was enjoying myself. Charlie, at this point, kindly subscribe, like my video, and gives me a thumbs up. So, let's go to the machine. Broom. Yeah. Okay, just enjoy watching. So when you are sewing this, you have to be very careful, okay, so that your stitches will be straight. Another thing too is I didn't stitch only one side. After stitching, I went to ahead to stitch the other side. And yeah, at this point I am done. It was a lot of work, but actually I'm really loving my dress. Okay, it is coming out so nicely. So after this, I went ahead to knitting all the rough edges. The rough edges you see here, I left some of the straps to knitting the edges. So this was the back. I keep picking threads. So yeah, this was the back. And for the sleeve, because I was coming to do the strap, I didn't cut the sleeve open. Okay, I don't know whether it's a sleeve opening or sleeve head, but anyways, I didn't cut that part. If you saw, you know what I'm talking about. I didn't cut that part. So after I went ahead to mark, I thought I was showing it to the camera, so I cut it then. Yeah, so this was me when I was trying to knitting it with the strap. So I went ahead to my sewing machine to knitting it. I did this to seal all the rough edges so that my work will appear neat, if not perfect, extremely neat. Okay, and when you will see the outcome, when you do it this way, your work becomes very neat. You don't have to worry about thread pulling off your dress or anything. You wear it with so much confidence, steeze and demur, guys. So yeah, at this point I was done, and you can see from this part already, but you would always have to do it on the paper. So you do all your stitches on the paper before you go ahead to remove it. So yeah, I was done with that, and it is time to join the shoulders. And after joining the shoulders too, I went ahead to knitting the shoulder to shoulder with some of the straps so that everywhere would appear neat and nice. 2024, it is steez on steez. Okay, so yeah, that was me trying to join the shoulder to shoulder. so that I will stitch it per the allowance I left. 1 inch allowance for each. So at this point I was done. Then I went ahead to knitting it with the strap. Yeah. So after, you can see from everywhere it was appearing neat, 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 neat. So yeah, you see what I was talking about, because I used the straps to knitting it. The inside is looking it is looking nice. Okay, so yeah, this is the reason why I recommend you leave some of your straps for the knitting. Yeah, some people sew and they leave the edges rough. Some use the weaving machine to knitting it, but I feel it's more nicer if you use the fabric itself to do the knitting. I feel it appears nice. Yeah, we are in 2024 and we want everything to be nice. If not perfect, it should be very close to perfect. It's a lot of work, my dear, but yeah, if you do it well, you will get the result. So at this point, I've gone ahead to join the sleeves, I've joined the bodies, everything is set, and it was time for me to remove the papers. Removing these papers took me almost the whole day, and at a point, I have to call all my housemates to come and help me take off the papers. It was a lot of work. I used water though. Yes, I used water on the paper so that it will soften it for me to be able to remove it. And hola, this work is nice, my dear. This work is nice. At this point, if you have not liked this video, then what are you waiting for, my dear? Just like, subscribe, so that it will encourage me to do more of these videos. Yeah, so at this point, my dress was looking oh perfect. Oh God, thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for sharing and thanks for liking it. I hope to see you in my next video. I'll be posting another tutorial on basket dress, but this time around it is a circle basket cape. Yes, we wear it on a dress. And again, I sold a black inner for this kimono jacket and the basket, the other cape. So if you want a tutorial on that too, you can comment under the comment section, or if there's any dress you want me to do a tutorial on, you can comment under the comment section. I will do it and share it here. Thank you. Bye.